Hello students, I hope you are doing well. So in the continuity, today we will be doing this topic median. As in the series of central tendencies, we have already covered these two topics, mean and mode. Now it's time for a turn for median. So first of all, we will try to understand this word median as the name defines itself. Median is that value of observation that divides the data into two equal parts. So we have any data, we will median is that value of observation that will divide the data into two equal parts or two equal halves. So we can also say median is the middle value. It is the middle value of the data when it is arranged in sorted order. Sorted means either ascending or descending order. So this is the formal definition, but the actual meaning of this term median we will learn in the question. So these are the formulas that you have to remember. So first of all, median for ungrouped data. If we have ungrouped data, the data is in ungrouped format, like the some marks of some student are given like 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is known as ungrouped data. So for to find the median in such case, we will use these two formulas. But now you will ask me, sir, why these two different formulas? So the formula is varying as per the number of terms in the given data. If we have odd number of terms in the data, then we will use this formula. N plus 1 by 2th term will be the median. Now you will ask me, sir, what is this n? This n stand for number of terms, and if we have even number of terms in data, then we will use this formula. We will find the mean of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. We will be finding the mean of these two terms. So I think theory is enough. Now we will be moving to the practical application of this median. So now the questioner is asking, we have to find the mean of median of this data. So first of all, count the number of terms. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. They are odd number of terms. Okay, so we are aware this now we are aware with this fact they are odd number of terms. Odd number of terms. So which formula will be used? Odd number of terms, this formula will be used. This formula will be used. But before using this formula, as I have said earlier, our data must be in sorted format. Sorted means in ascending or in descending order. So first of all, we will be sorting our data. So as the data is 7359184, clearly what we can see, the data is in unsorted format. It is neither in descending nor in ascending order. So first of all, we will be sorting this data. So first of all, see, the smallest term is 1, then we have 3, then we have 4, then we have 5, then we have 7, 8 and 9. So this is the series that will be formed if we sort the data in ascending order. Now I have, as I have told you, we have 7 terms, and now the data in the sorted format is 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Now again moving to the formula for the median. For the odd number of terms, the formula is median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. It will be median, it will be. So our n is 7, so 7 plus 1 by 2, that will be 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. That is, answer is our 4th term is median. So now start counting 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now this is our median. So the median of the data is 5. So this is our final answer, that the median of the data is 5. So in the continuity, you can practice these questions, or we can what we can do, let me show you another example in which we will be solving a question in which there are even number of terms. Okay, so what example should I take? Okay, so I will be taking this example. Now see, in this question there are how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See, n is equal to 6. There are 6 terms. They are even number of terms. Even number of terms. If they are even number of terms, then you will be asking which formula will be used for this. This formula will be used. Median is equal to n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. See, in the previous question what you have seen, 5 is the middle value. So I think now you have a clear idea with median. It is the central value. It is that value that is dividing the whole data into two equal parts. So this is our median. Now coming to the question in which there are even number of terms. So first of all we will be following the same pattern, and we will be first of all we will be sorting the data. So the smallest term is 20. So 20 is done. Then we have 25, yes, and then we have 30, done, 30 is done. Then we have 35, 35 done. Then we have 40 and 50, then 40 and 50. So now the data is in sorted format. Again I will be moving to the formula for median. If there are even number of term is n by 2th term, plus n by 2 plus 1th term, and this whole sum divided by 2. Now in this question the value of n is 6, so we'll be putting 6 in the place of n. 6 divided by 2 th term plus 6 by 2 plus 1th term, and this whole divided by 2. Now this will become third term plus, and 6 by 2 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. That is fourth term and divided by 2. So now this question what we have to do, we have to find the sum of third and fourth term and the whole divided by 2. So what we will doing, we will be counting the number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As you can clearly see, you can have a clear intuition in this question. In this question why we are using this formula, now you will have a clear idea. See, we are getting two middle terms. When there are even number of terms, na, we cannot get a single middle term. There are two middle terms, that is third term and fourth term. So now what we'll be doing, we will be finding the mean of these two terms. So now putting the value of third and fourth term, so 30 plus 35 and this whole divided by 2. So it will become 65 by 2, and 65 by 2 is nothing but 32.5. So the median in this case is 32.5. I think now you have a clear idea with this ungrouped data how to find the median in case of ungrouped data. So let me give you a short summary. Median is middle value of data that divides the data into two equal halves. For ungrouped data, if we have odd number of terms, then we will be using this formula. There will be a single term that will be median, but if we have even number of terms, there will be two terms that will be help in calculating the central tendency median, right? So we'll be using this formula. Now moving to the next part. If we have grouped data, grouped means in the like we can have the data in form of class format or equal class intervals. So what we'll be doing, we will be following this formula. So now we'll ask me, sir, what is this formula? Like it seems very tough. No, but this formula is really very simple. So before telling these terms, now before making you understand these terms, let me directly move to the question. Then I will like let you know the meaning of these terms. What is this L, this is F, what is this, the meaning of this H. Okay, so I will be moving to the question directly. So now the questioner is asking, we have to calculate the median of this data. We have to find the median of this data. So what we have to do, we have to follow some procedure in order to calculate some terms, and then we have to find the, then we will be able to find the median of the data. So first of all, whenever you have a question like this, first step, you have to calculate the cumulative frequency. Now you will ask me, sir, what is this cumulative frequency? Let me show you, let me show you. See, so in the question, first of all, what you have to do, you have to find CF. This CF means cumulative frequency, cumulative frequency, cumulative frequency. Now how we are able to, how will be able to find this cumulative frequency? Very simple. So first of all, is this 5, simply place 5. Now you have to just, what you have to do, just add the frequency of next class interval. Now 5 plus 8, it will be 13. Next we have 13 plus 10, it will be 23. Now next we have 23 plus 12, it will be 35. And next we have 35 plus 5, it will be 40. So now in this way we are able to find the CF. Now the last sum we get, now the last sum we get, it is equal to the sum of whole frequency. Now we will be checking it again. 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 10, 23, and 23 plus 12, 35, 35, 40. Now we have a clear idea, this last term is the sum of frequency, and it is also denoted by n. So in this question our n is 40. N is 40. uh, I have told you the formula na, median. For calculating the formula, median is L plus n by 2 minus A by F. So now we have a clear idea what is this n. This n means total of frequency, the sum of frequency. Now moving to the next part, what we have to do, we have to divide this n by 2. This is step 1 na? We have to find the, what we have to do, just a second. Yes, yeah. Now first, in the first step we have to calculate the cumulative frequency. Now we have a clear idea what is n. Our n is 40. So in the second step, what we have to do, we have to divide this n by 2. So we have to calculate the value of n by 2. Now 40 by 2 and 40 by 2, it will be 20. So in the second step we have to calculate the value of n by 2, and our n by 2 is 20, that is 40 by 2, that is 20. Now what you have to do, now the next step is, in the cumulative frequency part, you have to find that frequency which is just greater than 20. Now in this frequencies you have to find that frequency which is just greater than 20, and now we can clearly see this 23, this 23 is just greater than 20. Although this 35 is also greater than 20, but what I am saying, just greater than 20, just greater than 20. So this 23. Now if this 23 now we are able to find our median class. This is our median class. What is this? This is our median class. In the third step we will be marking our median class, median class. So in the third step we will be writing our median class, median class, median class, and our median class is 20 to 30, 20 to 30. So this is our median class. After getting our median class, a 90% question is solved. Now we just have to substitute the values, right? So see, now once we have find, like we are able to find this median class, now we can easily find the rest of the values. See, so I will be marking, and please now look at this very carefully. So this 20, this 20, the lower limit of median class, the lower limit of median class, the lower limit of median class, this is known as L. The lower limit of median class, this is nothing but L, the lower limit of median class. N stands for total of frequency. We have this thing I have already told you. And the last CF, or the total of frequency, this is known as N, the total of frequency. And this is L. I will be also marking here. So this is L, and the frequency of median class, the frequency of median class, this is our F part. F stand for the cumulative frequency. This is, I think this is by chance, the cumulative wait, Okay, so just a second. F they are using F for this. Yes, so frequency of median class. So this F stands for uh, F stands for frequency of median class, frequency of median class. So this is our F. Now you will be asking, now what is this F? This F is the frequency of class preceding the median class, that is the CF is, this F is cumulative frequency of class before the median class, and this is our CF or capital F. This is our CF or capital F. Now we are aware of these terms. This is L, this is F, and this is our CF. Now what we have to do, we just have to substitute the value, and we will be getting our final answer. Now we will be writing the values, and finally we will be substituting it in the formula. So our, in this question, our L is 20, our F, small f stand for the frequency of the median class, it is 10, and the capital F, or you can also write it as CF. In this question it is 13. Okay, so in this question it is 13. Now we just have to apply the formula. So the formula in this question that will be used for the median, it is median is equal to, it is L plus, that is lower limit, plus n by 2, the total frequency by 2, minus CF by F into H. You I think you are aware of this term H, that is class height. Now we have L as 20 plus n by 2. N by 2 we have already calculated. I think that was 20. Yeah. 20 minus CF. What is CF? CF is 13. 13 upon F, frequency is 10, and the class height, we have to check the class size. Class size in this question, okay, there is gap of 10, so I will be substituting the value of H as 10. So I think we have reached our answer. So this 10 will cancel out this 10. 20 plus and 20 minus 13, it will be 7. So the answer in this question is 27. So this is our final answer. The median for this group data, is 27. So the median for this group data is 27. So I think now you have a very clear idea. So once we are able to find the median class, the median will lie within this class, like 20 to 30. See, median is 27, it is lying between 20 to 30. So once we are able to find our median class, our median will lie within that given class. So now moving to the next example. So first of all, you can practice this question by your own. First of all, what you have to do, you have to, first of you have to calculate the CF, like 2 plus 6, 8, and then 8 plus 9, and this way you have to calculate the like CF. Then the last value of the CF that you will get, it will be the value n. Then you have to divide this n by 2. Then you have to find the median class, and then in this way you have to follow the same procedure that we have done in this question. So let me summarize all this. So the formula for median is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus F, or this we can also write CF upon F into H. This L is lower limit of median class. L means lower limit of median class. The n means total of frequencies divided by 2 minus CF. This CF or F is the median, or the cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. As I've told you now, this is CF. The CF is the cumulative frequency of class before the median class or class preceding the median class. The F stand for this, the F with which we are dividing our expression n by 2 minus F. This F stand for the frequency of median class, and H is already the class height. I think now you have a very clear idea with what is median, how to find the median of group data and ungrouped data. In the further lecture we will be solving some more question related to median and the missing frequency question. I think that is the most important part related with the median question. Now you can solve this question. I hope you understood, and all the best. May God bless you. Thank you so much.